One of the ways to go viral on YouTube as a small YouTuber is to find trending topics, repurpose them, and publish on your channel. But the challenge has always been how and where to find those trending topics. Don't worry, YouTube has made it easier for us. YouTube now has a new update. YouTube proposes trending topics to us according to our niche right there on YouTube Studio. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how and where you can find these trending topics and leverage on them. Plus, at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you a top secret from my favorite content creator on YouTube. I mean, everybody loves him, everybody talks about him, and everyone is obsessed about his growth on YouTube. So you want to stay till the end of this video to learn the top secret how you can grow your YouTube channel from my ever loving content creator, Mr. Beast. Hi, welcome back to my channel, and thank you for always clicking on play each time you see any of my videos. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and on this channel we talk about everything small business ideas, side hustle ideas, how you can earn money online, and how you can build wealth. So we are all about finding new ways you can earn money online and sharing on this channel. If these are the kind of topics you're interested in, stay till the end to get the most value from it. Most importantly, we are on a 30 days marathon to hit 10K subscribers on this channel, and this is week 2, and so far it's been amazing, and I personally want you all on this journey with me. So you want to click on that like button, give us the thumbs up, and also click on that subscribe button because we need your one to hit this 10K subscribers. Before we dive into finding these trending topics from our YouTube studio, let me give you this advice, sister to sister, sister to brother, content creator to content creator. Subscribe to this channel right here, YouTube creators. It is very important as a YouTuber or a content creator to be subscribed right here, because you're going to get updates on whatever is new on YouTube. You want to be very vigilant on everything new on YouTube, because this is where you earn your money. You don't want to be demonetized. You also do not want to miss out on maybe new ways to earn money or whatever YouTube is updating us about. So if you're right here and you subscribe, not only should you subscribe, but go often to that platform to watch the videos on new updates or everything they publish on that channel. This 30 days marathon has helped me to search for different problems on YouTube and also to find solutions to those problems. So you want to go back to our previous videos, make sure you watch them, and make sure you click on that like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. This is so that you will not miss out on any of our new updates. Now let's head over to our YouTube studio and see how we can find these trending topics and leverage on them. Right here on your YouTube studio, click right where you see analytics. Right here on channel analytics, you're going to see overview, content, audience, revenue, and inspiration. Click on inspiration. Right here on inspiration, we have get ideas for your next video, and right here where you see search, you can actually type in any topic you want to find, but whatever prompt you want to give in here, make sure you give a prompt that is updated. For example, how to grow your channel, September 2024. The reason I'm putting in September 2024 is so that the trending topics that YouTube will propose to us will be topics that are trending right now. You don't want to find trending topics in 2021 or 2020 and then you repurpose and publish in 2024. The chances for you hitting viral is very slim. So you want to find topics that are trending for this year and even this month. So right here on our YouTube studio, we have how to grow YouTube channel September 2024. Excuse me with the spelling right there. We have create outline. Let's take a look at the proposed ideas. We have best YouTube channel growth strategy for 2024. We have the ultimate guide to YouTube channel growth. We have how to grow your YouTube channel in 2024. Because one of the best ways for you to trend as a small YouTuber is repurposing trending topics. You want to find trending topics of the moment. All right, so you can click here on refresh if you're not comfortable with the topics, and definitely YouTube is going to refresh this and bring new ideas to you, like what you see right here. Now you can scroll below to where you see what people are watching. So this is what people are watching this September 2024 or even August, because trending topics for August can still trend right now. Even topics for January can trend. So right here, let's click on see all. And YouTube is going to bring the above, like you see here. This is 7 months ago, this is 8 months ago, and they are still trending this September. Any video you see that is older than 6 months and is showing right here, it is because those videos are still trending at the moment. Right here, we have this one here, top niche for 2025. 5 days ago, we have 29.8K views. So a lot of people are watching it. We have this one 8 months ago. We have 2 months ago. We also have this one 2 weeks, 1 month ago. Let's see if we have any today or yesterday. We have some for 2 years ago, but they are still trending 2024 September. All right, let me scroll through to see if I will see any for a day ago. Okay, I love this one. One in 10 September 2024. This is a day ago, 38.0K views. All right, so you can just scroll through and see every trending video or what people are searching for on YouTube. Now, one thing you should know is that finding trending topics on other search engines will not be as effective as finding trending topics right here on YouTube, topics that you want to post on YouTube. So this is one of the best updates I've had recently on YouTube, and there was no need for me to sleep a day not sharing this information with you all. If you're still here, make sure you've clicked on that like button, make sure you've subscribed, and you've also turned on your notification bell. So right here, you can click on this return arrow and you come back here to the inspiration page. All right, so whatever you want to search, whatever topic you want to search on, you can put right here. But remember, this recommendation comes according to your niche. The topics I see right here are the topics around my niche, and right there on your own side, you will see topics that are related to your niche. So besides typing in your topics and searching for trending topics, below here you can see what people are looking for, and this is the first proposition from YouTube directly to you. Easy ways to earn money from YouTube, how to earn money, how to start earning from YouTube. Remember, this is because my niche is about finding new ways to earn money online. So my topics are related to my niche, and I can click right here on show all, and I will see detailed topics on what YouTube is proposing for me. You can click right here on back, and below here, new videos to inspire you. These are videos that YouTube is proposing that will inspire me to create my own, and I can click right here on show all, and I will see all the topics that YouTube is proposing to me. Right here is for you to search on your own topics, but below here is what YouTube is proposing to you according to your niche and according to the videos you have been uploading on your channel. So I have this one right here 3 weeks ago, 97.7K views. This one is 4 weeks ago. This one is 1 week ago. And below here we have 1 week ago, 1 week ago, and you can just scroll to see what YouTube is proposing to you according to your niche. So go back to the main inspiration page right here and scroll below. You're going to see topics that you can create shorts with. Right here we have how to boost income. YouTube start video. We have how to make money on TikTok. So right here, you can click on all and see the topics that YouTube is proposing for you to create your shorts on. So this is really amazing, and I love this new update, because rather than you going to external search engines to search for trending topics, you can just come right here to inspiration, and then you select any of these videos, or you can also recommend your own topic to see if it is trending at that moment on YouTube, and then you can create your video and post and maximize on this new inspiration. If you are still here with me, thank you so much for watching this video up till this moment. I hope you have gotten value from this new inspiration from YouTube, and I also hope you have clicked and subscribed to YouTube creators so that you can learn more, and also so that you can be updated on anything or any new thing that YouTube is creating on this stream. Do not forget to click on that like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. And also let me know on the comment what your challenge is. Are you part of this marathon? Are you a small YouTuber? What are the difficulties you're facing? And you can send me an email and I'll be right there to respond to you how I can, or if I can. And now the secret in full. Mr. Beast is one of my favorite creators, although we are not in the same niche, but there are a lot of things I learned from him personally. I mean, I'm totally obsessed with this creator, and a lot of people are, not just me. I'm sure you love his work. I'm sure you love his growth on YouTube, and I'm really sure you love how much this creator earns from YouTube every month. It's ridiculous. So you have to watch him once in a while so that he too can inspire you. Don't forget to click on this, subscribe to this YouTube creators so that you can learn from their update. Now, YouTube favors creators who get most of their views or even little of their views from external sources. Remember, YouTube is just the second largest search engine in the world, and there is still a top position, and YouTube still wants a lot of population on YouTube. So if you bring in external sources into YouTube, the algorithm of YouTube will definitely favor your channel and share your videos to as many people as possible. This is where Mr. Beast's secret comes in, and I want to show you right now. So go to your YouTube channel on your YouTube homepage. If you haven't watched this video on how you can set your YouTube homepage to get more attraction, then you want to click on it right there, or go to the description and click on that link. Watch on how you can set up your YouTube homepage to be as beautiful as what my own is right now. All right, so scroll to the bottom of your homepage right here where you see videos. Click right here on play all. Right here at the top of the search bar here, copy this link you see right here. After you've copied this link, whatever external source you've been using to promote your YouTube channel, for example, I have been using Facebook. So let's go right there and let me show you how you can use this link you've copied. Remember, we went to YouTube homepage and we went down to all videos and we copied the link to all the videos on our channel. So right here on Facebook, you can click on Reel, and then you come right here to upload the video you want to promote right here. When your video is uploaded, then you want to click right here on Next. And here where you see description, you can now paste the link you copied. And this link, remember, is a link to all your videos. So right here, when the video is uploaded, you can now click on Publish. Now this helps you in that anyone who clicks on this link and is directed to your YouTube channel will not only watch a video. Remember that each time you watch a video and the video is over, YouTube is going to recommend another person's video to you. I mean, another content creator. But when you use this link, anyone who clicks on it will watch your first video, your second video, from the last video you posted on your channel, the person will start watching and going through. And this can actually help you to keep this viewer glue to your channel. Most importantly, there is another way you can actually make them to watch your videos, from your highest video to the least video on your channel. Now let me show you how. So go back to your YouTube homepage. You can just click right here, and right here on your YouTube homepage, scroll to the bottom of your screen where you see popular videos right here. So click on the all, play all, and right here you copy this link, and this link now you can now post it on any of the videos you want to promote on your external source. Now you might be promoting on Facebook, on LinkedIn, you might be promoting on Instagram, on TikTok, or whatever platform you want to promote this video on. Just make sure this is the link you put, because normally we do this process where when you drop a video, you copy the URL and you promote the video on this external sources. But this secret from Mr. Beast is helping you to promote all your channel. And this one is even better because this viewer will start viewing your videos from your highest or most popular video to the least of your video. And remember, nowadays is no longer the period where you say, do not judge the book by its cover. We are judging the book from its cover. That's why we talk about good thumbnails, good title, or captivating thumbnails, captivating titles. So you want to make sure that you use this method. This is the one I prefer most. All right. I know you want to promote the last video you just dropped on YouTube, but to be able to return this viewer, you want to make sure that they come to your channel the first time seeing your most popular views. Most of this audience want to belong where everybody is. They want to watch videos that they see that a lot of people have viewed. So you want to keep them glued by this method. I don't know for you, but I am implementing this 100%. In fact, 1000%. Thank you all for watching this video up to this moment, and let me know on the comments if you enjoy this top secret from Mr. Beast, and let me also know if you are about to implement it and how this secret works for you. Remember, the YouTube algorithm will favor you more when it discovers that you have a lot of external views on your channel, and this is the way you can actually keep them glued, rather than you bringing someone from Facebook to your YouTube channel and the person watches just one video and leaves your channel. This secret will help them to watch as many as possible, especially if you use the most popular way by copying the most popular link on your channel and posting on your external resources. So if you're still here with me, I hope you've clicked on that like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. And I also hope you have subscribed to the YouTube Creators channel so that you'll be getting amazing updates like what we've had today. I love you all so much, and you do not want to miss out on our next topic. So make sure you have turned on that notification bell so that when I drop this topic, you will be right there to watch it and gain insight on the new problem and the new solution I will be bringing. Love you all, and until next time, keep creating, keep sharing, and keep earning money for yourself. Bye-bye.